back with another video. By the time you already know what's good and what's popping, so let's get into this video. I have 3 plates, and my eggs is in here, my panko, and my flour, and right here I have my chicken tenderloins. I'm about to season the chicken, get my eggs with some milk. Okay, so I'm back with all my ingredients, and depending on how many people you're gonna feed, that depends on how many eggs, but it's just me and my man, so I'm just putting 2 eggs, a little bit of milk, and then we're just gonna whisk. We're gonna whisk it up so it'll be like foamy. Right here you guys see I'm draining my chicken tenderloins to get some sazon. This is not the color one, again, not the colored sazon packet. This is the just for the seasoning. I'm just gonna add that, but I think I put like half of the packet in there if I'm not mistaken. So now I'm gonna add some cumin and some black pepper. Those are the essential. I got garlic pepper because I don't want to add garlic and black pepper if I could combine them, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna add both in there a little bit. You know, a little goes a long way, especially if you're adding hella ingredients, so be careful. So I added chili. It was kind of last minute, but now I'm just mixing up all the ingredients that I have put in there. And now we're going to start the assembly line. I got my panko breadcrumbs, and I'm just going to pour them in there. I always shake it first, you know, to get the seasoning from the bottom. So I'm going to add some all-purpose flour now. You can add as little or as much as you want. Now we're going to get ready to do the assembly line. So I got the chicken, the flour, the eggs, and then the breadcrumbs. I'm whisking the eggs to make sure they're like fluffy and nice. And I'm going to get a couple of spoons so I'll be able to cover it the right way, make sure everything's breaded the right way. As you guys can see, I covered it, tapping it with the spoon and make sure it's breaded first with flour. And then I'm going to just dip it in the eggs real quick, just a quick egg wash. And then the panko breadcrumbs you can add. You can do like a double coat if you would like, but it's not like you're supposed to, you know what I mean? And then I'm just putting them on a tray until I get all of them ready to fry them. So I'll see you guys back when I finish all of them. So now we're getting ready to fry them. I'm going to add oil until like half of the pot is covered. And then we're just going to throw them in. I let them cook about 10 minutes on each side, but don't overcook them because they will get burnt due to the breadcrumbs. So I let them sit there. I don't flip them constantly. I just let them sit until like I see the bottom like that, until I see it brown. And then I, you know, you don't have to flip them. The one this one right there I just flipped was a little burnt because that was the first one I put in there, and then like I totally forgot about it. But y'all see that color? Y'all see them breadcrumbs not flying everywhere, y'all? Do y'all see that? That little thing that I'm messing with was like a little chicken piece that I was like, ooh, let me try it. You know what I mean? But after like the 10-15 minutes are up altogether, it's time to take them out. You know, don't over fry them. Don't be extra. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see how beautiful? I'm sorry, y'all. I ate that. I was a little hungry. You know, when you cook things, you gotta try your food. You know what I mean? So y'all see I got the Christmas rice. Those on this and then I got the other done. I know y'all probably asking about that one. What happened to that one? I specifically just breaded it and egged it just with flour and eggs. And you can see how different it looks, how burnt it is. Like, I mean, it's still good, but look at the difference with the assembly line we were doing versus just two things. You know what I mean? The fries. Hey, let me quit playing for my phone for again. But yeah, altogether made 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, around 10 pieces because we ate like 3 off camera. But you know, that's okay. Finished product, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification button. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. You know, comment down below a little video idea because I'm always watching. I'm always looking. Bye, y'all.